Hello everyone, my name is Dennis. I'm not a guru or enlightenment student of Buddha. I will not count the hundreds of advantages of the practice. I will simply share the information gained from my own experience. And you, yourself, will be able to see how it's all working by your own personal practice and experience. In 2012, I took the first Vipassana course, after which my mind somehow formatted and reinstalled the operation system as on a computer. All the colors. I start to understand myself more. Start to pay attention to my nutrition. What food I eat, behavior, environment of people, and everything changed for better. Today you have the opportunity to learn my deeply 8 years history, as well as to get acquainted with the basics of Vipassana meditation technique and begin to incarnate, start to look inside yourself and understand your true values for which you live here. For what? What goals? What is the real meaning of your life? In the end, why you are here? Everything is inside and comes from there. You are very welcome.